caravan. Oh, it's been a journey. That's my suitcase. Yeah, really sad, but we're not leaving. We are then gonna go, how do you say it? Something like that, like halfway towards Milford Sound, and we're just gonna stay there for one night and do Milford Sound, and then staying in Queenstown for 2 more nights. So we've still got holiday. We're just leaving the, I keep saying caravan, but I mean camper van. One more day, or half a day with this thing. Honestly, been the best thing ever. I am obsessed. I want one now more than a house, I think. Oh, those are so good. We just got a cherry real fruit ice cream from an orchard that like grows their own. That's the best real fruit ice cream I think I've ever had.
I went for the yogurt based one.
Oh yeah. But it's hybrid. It's hot in Queenstown. And Sam's driving a new car. It's a much smaller. All our stuff is in the back, no fridge. But I'm sweating, oh my goodness. We need to find a spot for lunch. And then we've still got a 2-hour drive. So close to each other.
This one's got a
car stairs. You're kidding.
So I've got it.
That's scary. I'm scared to trust it. Oh, what? No way. How does it know that?
It's got sensors at the front.
Like, can it see the lines or something?
Yeah.
Wow, this car is flash. You should see mine. Today's lunch spot. There's a little duckling. Come to big food for food. Oh my goodness. I'm not scared of heights, but I need to hold on to the rail. I'm scared. We put me on the driver for this car as well, so Sam can get a break. And we just stopped over at a corner store to get some drinks. I've got an apple. I just had a little swig of like oat milk. Random drink, but I'm thirsty, and honestly sometimes I kind of randomly crave it. Maybe I'm low on calcium or something, I don't know, but I think we're still like 2 hours from Tiara now. Sam got water and a Dr. Pepper cherry flavor. Oh. Cherry flavor.
Hello, yeah, cherry flavored water.
No. Ooh.
I'm on a bit of a cherry buzz, right?
How nice is this facility? You know when you like book somewhere and you think it's gonna be nice but like exceeds expectations? This is it. There's like toilets, tea and coffee with like a fridge and like a little like plate. I grabbed one for like cheese and knives. Picnic area, bean bags, and there's 3 tents. The cutest kitty cat, our tent. We're in Remu and it's so nice. Might get a little chilly at night, but we've got a heater, and then she said we've got a heated blanket as well, which I've never used before. But yeah, how cute is this? Little seats. We've got all our food out of the car. We're pretty hungry because we haven't eaten anything, so we're gonna make that now. But honestly, stoked just for the night. But yeah. Okay, I'm such a cheese and cracker girl, but before dinner, got some smoked salmon spread from that place we got the sashimi from, Mount Cook. The cat is stalking me, trying to get my food, especially this and the cheese kind of, but the wine's kind of warm. But honestly, beanbag, Sam's making dinner. I couldn't be happier. Could be a bit colder, but I'm not mad. Half eaten my meal, if not a quarter of it left, but we've had a very budget meal tonight, just in the camper kitchen. Heated that and that up. We are gonna get up at about 5 a.m. tomorrow to do Milford Sound, or we're gonna drive there, so it's gonna take like, I might be wrong, but around 2 hours I think, and you have to be there half an hour early, so exciting. Probably doesn't look like a food baby, but I'm 3 months pregnant. I feel so bloated.
We're pregnant. Expected April next year.
And I've got some rocks. This one's got a line on it.
Like, yeah. No.
He's like skipping down.
Hey, hey.
He's nice.
Good. Stop it.
You tell him, Sam. Uh-oh.
It's such
Naughty. Naughty boy. What do we think of the Milford cruise? Milford Sound cruise?
It was amazing. Incredible.
It went really fast.
It did go really fast.
I got very chilly.
We were at the front of the boat when it took us up to right up close to a waterfall as well. So we got soaked. Was there more than
No.
that? We got absolutely soaked, but it was worth it.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's how I got so chilly. But I got pretty wet beforehand as well. There are countless waterfalls. Like even now, like the backdrop is just insane. It definitely rained, like I'd say like half the time maybe. Luckily we have our rain jackets and stuff. And then we just pulled over and saw some Kia that tried to eat our car. And then the long drive back to
Queenstown.
There's a hectic tunnel though. There's like a tunnel here.
Minute wait time.
Honestly, like
It's kind of scary.
Oh, you have to wait because it's one way. Even.
Yeah, it's one way.
It's very steep.
This time we're going to be going uphill the whole time, and it's very steep and very dark.
Yeah, like it kind of just looks like a mole hole sort of thing, and then like literally on the sides there'll be like water spilling down. So it's not like, I don't know, there must be some kind of like gutter system in place, I guess. But like there was like a waterfall in a part of it, like kind of like out of a drain, like the water was just like spilling out. So I don't know how it works, but can you see? Like, this is our one, and I'm gonna have to cut into this avocado with this wooden fork, scoop it out, and then put this tuna on the corn cracker with no plate. What did you just say?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks like it.
We did it.